Let's try to create new invoice. So we must need to provide the date here, 4 and 21. I also need to provide the due date, 2018 04/21. We also need to provide the QTWay, otherwise you will get the error. Let's say I'm going to create a new invoice for my freelance project budget. Cool, I got the invoice. Here you will see the 200 status code because we have successfully created the invoice. Let me check the invoice from the MongoDB. Start the MongoDB by running this command mongo. And what is the name of the database? Let me check that. Config.js invoice builder. So we need to tell the MongoDB I would like to use the invoice builder database. Okay, let me show all the collections. Boom, here we have invoices. Now I'm going to find all the invoices. So dot find dot pretty. Incredible. Here we have our latest invoice. Freelance project budget. We have added the QTY and here is our date.